Hey, what's up motherfuckers, how are you doing? This is Khalid back on KKCA with another interesting video as usual. So I thought that it would be a good time today to share with you my new template that I created yesterday. Now that I'm so lazy to do videos, I took some time to create this new template and I really hope that you like it. This is what it looks like. Very awesome. How can you not love or like something like this? And this is actually the YouTube version, which I'm going to provide a template for tomorrow. So if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe so you won't miss it. Yeah, let me show you what it looks like. I think that the YouTube version looks just a little bit better than the other one. Yes, so yeah, let's check the download link and see what we have. We have this readme file which has nothing important. Yes, and we also have the project file itself. Just make sure to read this one, created by KKCA. Thanks for downloading the file. For more awesome templates and tutorials, visit our YouTube channel or our Steam community profile. Yes, then open this one. See what it looks like. Amazing already. Yes, and the first thing you're gonna want to do is drag the background or wallpaper to the background. Okay, and then go to the edit me tab, and here you're going to then go to window and then effects and controls, and then you can change the color of the first shape, which is that one, the color of the second shape, which is that one, color of the third shape, which is that one, and so on. The text, the color of the first text, second text, and third text. And here you can use background. I mean, you're gonna use your own wallpaper, so you might not want to check this one. And yes, this is a background color in case you want to use it. This is the shape width, so if your text doesn't really fit, you can increase it. Yeah, but we're not gonna do that because it fits perfectly. And this is the size. Controlling the size of the shade itself. Yes, and positioning, of course, in case you don't like it. And yes, after that, go to the render me, and then you can just go to the project, and if you want to add your logo, just click there and the logo. Yep. Just a quick tip for you, in case you want to resize this one perfectly, you can just hit Control Shift Alt then H, or Control Shift Alt and then G. Yeah, it depends on the aspect ratio of your logo, and it's gonna fit perfectly. Yes, after that, close this one, go to the render me, see how it plays. Oh, plays perfectly. Yes, now let's go and edit the text. This is the first text and it's self-explanatory. You can just double click it, then edit it. And I think that this was it for today's video. Let's just take a quick preview on what the animation looks like in After Effects. And I do think that this looks awesome. Just in case you wanna resize the logo, just hit S, and then you're gonna have this slider. Yep, and then control the size of it. Maybe you're gonna like it better like this, so it's not so big. Now it's too small to be used. Yep, now it's looking perfect. Okay, and that was it for today's video. So I just want to say that if you're new to the channel, then you can always subscribe and like our videos, comment, you know, do all the good stuff. See you in tomorrow's video, I hope. I usually say tomorrow, but I never do it in time, so I'm predictable. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you.